Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a GIMP tutorial on how to cut out a background. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And then the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is I like to use my free select tool. Some people like to use the scissor select, but I like the free select tool. And then let's say I wanted to cut out this guy in this boat. So what I would do is I'd zoom into the part that I'd want and then use my free select tool, and we'll just do a rough cutout. You can do as many clicks as you want. So let me give you an example. So like you can get as close to the head and literally follow every pixel if that's what you want to do. But for the sake of showing you how, I'll just do it real quick here. So we'll just go ahead and cut him out. Okay. All right, then make sure you connect them. You'll know that they're connected by the dotted line moving. And then you could do edit, then cut, but you'll notice that it'll cut the wrong side. So you have to do edit, select, invert, and then edit, cut. And then now you'll see that it cuts out the background. And if it's not transparent, that's because you have to right click on this on the layer section and add an alpha channel in order for it to technically be transparent. So now that I added an alpha channel, if I press cut, it will go ahead and delete everything that's not the background. If you guys, or vice versa, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and put them down below. But other than that, it's been a quick tips tutorial. Thank you.